Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize YouTube video ideas with vidIQ. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your vidIQ account, and in the left panel, you can go ahead and click on Optimize. So let's go ahead and find a problematic video right here. For example, this one, how to clear Chrome cache. So let's go ahead and click on it. And as you can see here, the title score is just 66. You can go ahead and fix this by using these suggestions. Google Chrome clear cache in 60 seconds, or this one, Chrome cache stop websites from loading wrong. Your Chrome cache is slowing you down. Okay, or you can go ahead and click on regenerate and just wait for the results. Okay. So you can click on one, it will be automatically written in here. Okay, you go ahead and click on Save Changes, or go to Thumbnails, fix the thumbnail right here, use from one of the generations, or you can go ahead and click on Quick Generate, and it will analyze your video. Okay, just basically wait for it, and after that, the results will be shown in the section. So while it loads, go to SEO. You can fix the tags right here. There will be some suggestions. You can go ahead and use the plus sign to add it in your tags section. You can add up to 500 characters right here. So go to review. It will analyze your content or preview it while it analyzes. Okay. And here we have it. So let's just wait for the thumbnail right here. So you can click on it and then click on the three dots, click on edit, and say maybe add Google Chrome logo. Hit on enter and just wait for the process to finish. You could use face swap as well, or add in your own image, add in a sticker. Here we have it. Okay, if you're happy with that, you can go ahead and download it, save it wherever you want, close. Now this time, let's go ahead and use this one. Now finally, just save the changes. Okay, just like so. Wait for it. Now you can go ahead and click on preview right here and find your video. And now it will look like this. Okay. So that's how easy it is to optimize your YouTube videos with vidIQ. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.